Hot mixing of ward number 14. Councillors on also Sainath Raul proposed work of hot mixing in and around near Galaxy apartments in ward number 14. The total estimate is around 20 lakhs, and this work has been planned in the year 2020, late 2021, आणि ऑलमोस्ट एक देड एक वर्स लागले आमकां टेंडर हाडपाक. पावसाक लागून हें काम मातशें उरलें, बट नॉनदलेस एंड ऑफ नोव्हेंबर आमी थारायलें तशें काम हॉट मिक्सिंग म्हापशान सुरू केलें. And we are here with another work through the MLA-led scheme, and we expect them to complete this entire work by today evening. Tashets, we will start hot mixing today evening next to Milagris Church in Mapusa, where खूब जाणांचे रिक्वेस्ट असले की ते काम जाता तितले बेगीन जावचें. सो 3:30 तुमकां विनंती करता, तो मातशें थंय येवचें आनी तें कवर करचें.